Hello YouTube, and welcome to this video where I just got a surprise package in the mail just about 5 minutes ago, and I'm ready to do an unboxing. So here we go. This is from Verbatim. This is their tough and tiny USB. So I'm going to be doing a quick review in about a week or two. Okay, so here we go with the unboxing. Alright, so here it is. So let's do a really quick unboxing of this. So let me turn it over here. Okay, so now we just open up this side. Okay, let me open up these other sides for you. Okay. Okay, so you open that up, and here it is. This is Verbatim's Tough and Tiny. They gave me the 4 GB version, the green. As you see, it's very small. Holy cow. That's tiny. Okay, I can't wait to do a review on this, so give me just a while, and yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.